It's that time again for your yearly Whitestone Dome screen protector video. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And in today's video, we have the Whitestone Dome screen protector for the Galaxy S20 Ultra. This is a 2-pack, currently available on Amazon with Prime shipping for $69.99, but there is a $15 off coupon available right now, so you actually get this 2-pack for $55. That is a great deal considering that the 1-pack usually goes about for $45 to $50. So $55 for a 2-pack, it's not a bad deal at all. So link will be in the description to this if you want to go ahead and pick it up on Amazon, or if you want to go ahead and pick it up on their website. So we all know, we all been through this, you know how to do this, you know how this thing gets down. So I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox it, show you what's inside, and then we're gonna go ahead and install it and then show you the outcome and see if that fingerprint ultrasonic recognition works through the Whitestone Dome screen protector. So let's go ahead and unbox this and let me show you what's inside. So this is everything we have here. We have the tray itself, the 3 adhesives, all the accessories needed to install the screen protector. I think some alignment handles there, speaker covers, some other handle stickers there, the adhesive curing light there, and the 2 screen protectors. But we also get a lifetime limited warranty here, so if you register the product and you have anything else, you can actually replace it, or they'll send you a free one if you have any problems with that or whatsoever, and you get a 20% off coupon on your next purchase. We also have the installations. This one's in Chinese, but you do get one in English, so make sure you read this if you've never done this before. Make sure you read it and you go and follow the instructions, basically. You know what I'm saying? Because you can mess up, but it's okay if you do, because you can probably recover from the mess up. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and install this and come back with the outcome of the screen protector. But first, you want to actually take off the pre-installed screen protector that you currently have on your Galaxy S20 Ultra, because you do not want to install it over this here, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. So first thing first, you want to clean the screen very good. Then you want to put the phone in the tray itself and press it in there, and it does have a cutout for the camera there, so you know how it properly goes, so it keeps it from jiggling. Boom, there. So you want to cover the speaker port, get the tray, put these absorbing pads, the bridge. Now, so once you put the bridge, you want to grab the adhesive, remove the red cap. Then what you want to do is put it on the bridge, kind of squeeze it on there. Then what you want to do is remove the black cap right there, untwist it. This is just going to release all the adhesive onto the phone itself, and then just kind of tap it there. Get all that adhesive you can out of this cap. Then we want to do is remove this. Get this out of this way, put the cap back on there. Then you want to get your tempered glass screen protector, remove the protected back plastic. Make sure you have it correct. So what you're going to do is just going to align it and place it on here. Bam, like that. With the tab here, make sure you have that tab installed. So next what you're going to do is get this, but before you do that, if you don't want to do that, if you can't see through it, so what you want to do is tilt this, get the adhesive right at the middle there, and then release the pin so it can start spreading the glue a little bit faster. So this kind of helps it spread a little faster because it is a bigger device here. So what we want to do is I think it goes this way here. What you want to do is put that there, and we're gonna press this down, and once it gets about where this arrow is, you want to go ahead and release the tab here, bam, right there, and just wait for the adhesive to spread out through the whole screen protector. As you can see, the adhesive, it's already spreading through the whole tempered glass screen protector there. And then once it reaches the end, what you want to do right now is just keep holding it like that. And then what we'll do next is set up the Whitestone Dome glass curing UV light so we can cure the adhesive onto the phone. Sometimes it takes a little longer for the adhesive to go throughout, so you can kind of tilt it and kind of maneuver the adhesive which way you want it direct, but it's on there now. So we're gonna go ahead and grab this UV light, and what we want to do is kind of just cure this portion over here. This is where the fingerprint reader is in this portion here. So what I'm going to try to do is the high on Android portion. If you haven't seen his videos, he kind of doesn't cure this part. He'll put like a sticker on it and then kind of press on it and cure it later, so it could really adhere to the screen, and you can get a good read every time you use that ultrasonic screen protector. So we'll do that there. We'll put that sticker there so that portion doesn't cure, and then we'll run that light there, take it out, and then press on it really hard and kind of run it like that, see if that works. And then what you want to do is remove the tray. And this had a little bit of adhesive on there, so it kind of got stuck, but no worries there. Kind of remove the phone from the tray. This is where the adhesive part is, so you kind of want to, that's where the fingerprint sensor is, so you gotta want to press on it pretty hard so it can adhere, and then cure it. So now we want to just remove this sticker here. Now we've done curing it, just remove the speaker cover there, and then just grab a cloth and kind of wipe it off. Now we pretty much got a pretty good solid installation here. I don't see any issues, but pretty simple if you're good to it. Look at that, bam. Just grab one of these white ones and kind of just give it a nice little wipe down here. So I have the fingerprint reader there. I have not So I think it works pretty good. I have not reinstalled my fingerprint, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now, and done. So the next thing what you want to do is you probably want to increase touch sensitivity. So we want to go to display, and is it on display? Yeah, and then increase touch sensitivity, and let's see how this works here. Okay, so it works pretty good. Try it one more time. Now I don't want to do it with the screen off, because let me see, I don't know if I can get it. Yep, works pretty good. So there you have it, guys. Whitestone Dome. It's currently 70 bucks, but you do have a $15 off coupon, so you get it for about 55 bucks. It's a 2-pack, available on Amazon or their website. I don't know if you get discount on their website, but link to this will be in the description below if you want to go ahead and purchase it for yourself. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and like always, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.